How to get Temu promo code. Hey everyone, I'm sharing the latest Temu deals that I find online, and I just got a discount code that helped me save huge money on my Temu order completely for free. I tried this viral Temu free coupon code and actually managed to save 200 with it. I'm going to show you the order I just used this on. How to get Temu coupon code? It's really simple. First of all, you'll want to open up any web browser, and I'm going to show you how to get this promo code. Select the brand you need a code for. There are several options. Choose the best one for you. Click Unlock, and your Temu promo code is ready. The last step to unlock the Temu promo code is verification those sponsor games. Make sure you come onto a mobile device in order to do this, as it will not work on your PC. I have completed offers, iHeartRadio and Evertail, and it works without any issues. Please don't hesitate to like, comment, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you.